Hello everyone. This class is for those who wanted a little bit more of practice from transitive intransitive. Okay? Transitive intransitive verbs you have already learned in the previous class, but some of you have demanded for a little more practice. So here it is. Okay, the sentences are given. Now let's first see the first sentence. He bought a shop. Now if you ask the subject he, what did he buy? He bought a shop. And the act of buying goes from he to the shop. So naturally this is transitive. Okay? When there is subject and object and the action is moving, then it is transitive. Now let's go to the second one. He runs very fast. He is running by himself. He is not giving anything to anyone. So the verb is moving, but it is moving within himself only. This is why this sentence is intransitive. Okay? Next one, Reena stopped the car suddenly. Now Reena is the subject. Stopped what? What did Reena stop? The car. So, Reena stopped something. The action moves from Reena to the car. This is why this is transitive. Alright? The next one, number 4. You look tired today. You is the subject. And you look tired. Here, basically, the tiredness doesn't move and it is within you only. So, you look tired today is intransitive. Okay? Number 5, help the poor. Now, here you has been written in the bracket because you is understood. You help the poor. Now, the helping passes on from the subject to the object, that is the poor. Now, here the subject is not mentioned. But you have to understand that there is a subject you. So, you help the poor, the subject moves, the verb moves from the subject to the object, and this is why this is transitive. She gave him a pen. She is the subject. Gave him a pen. Now, there are two objects. She gave him something. She gave him a pen. So, pen is something and she gave whom? Him. So, there are two objects, but I have not yet taught you the direct and the indirect object. This is why we'll just consider this as a transitive. Okay? Next day I'll continue with the direct and indirect object. Okay, then next one, number 7. The sun shines brightly. Now, how does the sun shine? Brightly. It answers the question how, number 1. And the sun shines by itself. It doesn't move by or move to anyone else. It's no doubt the rays come to the earth, but still it shines by itself. So, this is intransitive. Okay? And the last one, she is sad. She is sad by herself. She is not passing on her sadness to anyone else. So, this is intransitive. Alright? I hope you have understood transitive and intransitive. And with these 8 examples or 8 sentences, you have clarified it. If you still have doubt, you can write it in the comment box. Okay? And next day we'll do direct and indirect object. Why something is direct and why something is indirect. Alright? This I don't need to go for in Bengali because you can well understand it's very easy. Okay? Bye then.